Big Poppa's Granny's Hot Honey Barbecue Sauce. The brand sent this to us so we could test and do a review, and so glad that they did. We ended up trying this out on ribs.
Big Poppa's Hot Honey. Do the other side. Have a nice glaze on it. Poppa's Hot Honey. It's got a sweet heat. Super good on ribs. Glazes up really nice. Spreads really good. Delicious.